Hi, this is Alex. Just now I'm going to carve a lowercase letter L. So I've done the outline of this lowercase letter L in pencil. And this is where we begin carving. This is an 18mm flat or butt chisel, Stanley made, and I like to knife in the edge, and it will guarantee that you don't get blowouts in your lettering. So we'll see how quickly this happens. The camera may get in the way here of the chisel, but we'll see what I can do about it. Today I'm carving softwood. I prefer hardwood to carve, but at the end of the day I'll carve whatever timbers I'm able to get in front of me on my workbench. I've been carving since I was 12, and it's just something that I like to do. So here I'm just using a 12mm chisel just to further chip away at the wood. Now I'm just using a skew knife. It's looking good. Now to work on the middle section of the letter. Just looking for a suitable sized chisel. This here is a 32mm butt chisel. I call them flats, you know, because the chisel's flat. And I work from the middle to the outside edge of the letter. Probably just want a 38mm chisel now. I'm a bit new school and I know metric measuring systems. I'm not too good with imperial. I've got a pretty severe blowout, which I've just noticed, but it's all within the letter, so I'm not too concerned with it. This is hand tool woodworking. I like the look of hand tool woodworking because it looks crafted, it looks made. We're nearing a close with this letter now. Here I'm just taking off all the fibers that you don't want sticking out. There, righto. And yeah, it's showing up on the camera. Not very well because it's an overcast day. Where's my 6mm chisel? Just here. These are optional, these little bits. And it's a Times New Roman font that I manipulate, make larger, make wider, make shorter, depending on how many words I'm carving and what size piece of wood I'm carving also. I'll turn the camera around in a minute and I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully I'll get it on the camera, because I'm no cameraman. And I'm doing this more so to let people know what I do. Righto. I'll put this chisel in front of it to show you a size comparison. And it's just here. Whoops. The letter that I've just carved. Whoops, just trying to get it on camera. There we go. Lovely. Thank you.